Yo, do what you do, YouTube, man. You know that boy. First Blue Ice Hauler, Snowfall, man. We the car show, man. First annual car show. And boy, these boys about these boys out. I'm gonna play some. I'm gonna cut the video off because I got flagged last time. I played too much music, so I'm gonna have to turn this music down. But yeah, first on the thing, man, it's a cut dog. Ain't that thing clean? Man, what it do, YouTube? Look at it. That boy about to city there, boy. These boys came out here, boy. Man, these boys out here, baby. Man, that car took that pack quick. Look at the trophy, y'all. Look at that another trophy. Whee! Big motherfucker there, boy.
Boy, you going home with me, dog?
Don't matter, man. I win now, baby. Don't even matter, baby.
I appreciate
I'm just coming to support, baby. I'm just coming to support, baby. Win or lose, I'm out here, baby. But I will take one home. You give it to me. Box Chevy. Man, it don't even matter. I don't matter. I win the trophy now, baby. But I told take one home. You give me one. Woo-wee! Man, let's see what road go down. I'll go down this road first. Then I'm come back. That mother, big ass time, nigga. That mother. Y'all see this say? Man, take the car everywhere too, boy. This man ride this car. Man. Hey, he ride this car. I'm telling you, he ride this one. Now this truck, woo-wee! Man, this truck is something serious, boy. Man, this making money, this truck. Look at that. Holly EF5. He clean, man. Man got everything, man. Look at that. Yeah, this is him. Got the bed line and everything. Yeah, he clean, boy. That one clean truck I don't seen, boy. Look at that paint job on that thing. Yes, sir. I'm sitting high, I think I take a fly. It's going crazy. I finally got my wings. Man, they got these dogs out here, boy. That's pretty they got them dogs. Oh shit! I'm gonna top my leg on. Motherfucker, they got me. Woo! Now that's clean, that man. Yeah, they clean there, y'all. Man, they is out here, boy. Look at big ass thing there, y'all. Yeah, YouTube, boy. It's nice gosh over here. Man, that truck is hurt. Man, that truck good. I'll probably play this. Man got the bag on this motherfucker. Bagged out. Air compressor, everything, that thing running. Y'all know we out here, baby. Y'all know we outside with it. Y'all know we outside with it. Y'all know we outside with it, baby. We outside. Man, look at these Mopar boys. He about to
Nah,
deep.
you gotta go in through the front.
Mopar ball out here deep, boy.